early? Okay. So how many of you are new student here? कौन कौन new student हो आप लोगों में से? Shamila, okay. What about else? Tanika, okay. Okay, and many old students are also here. So guys, you are from which city or which place? कहाँ से हो आप लोग? Firdaus is from Delhi, okay. Sambhavi, Hyderabad. अलग अलग सिटी से अलग अलग जगह से आप लोग हो. So you guys are comfortable in English or Hindi? English, okay, both. Okay, so mostly no one is from Hindi here. You guys will understood English. So I will explain in English only, ठीक है? I will explain in English. So how many of you are going to bake with me during the live class? कौन कौन बनाने वाले हो आप लाइव क्लास में? श्रुति, okay. Firdaus. What about else? Sambhavi, okay. So do you have OTG guys? आप लोग सभी के पास OTG है? Do you have OTG? Okay, very nice. Shruti is my old student, I think. Shruti, I'm unmuting you. Please tell me your experience in the previous workshop. Okay, please unmute from your side. I have unmuted you, Shruti. Okay, no issue. Any old student are here except Shruti? Busra, I think. Busra, I'm unmuting you. Please tell me your experience in the previous workshop. Hello. Yes,
Hello.
Busra, how are you?
Good, ma'am.
How was your experience in the previous workshop?
Very good and amazing. इजी था
Okay,
और
so
समझने में बहुत आसानी थी मेरे लिए और मैंने बहुत चीज अच्छी अच्छी बनाई, बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट था बिगिनर के लिए बहुत।
सारी चीजें आपने बनाई, all the recipes which I have taught you in the previous workshop.
यस मैम। और
Okay, so today you are going to make the recipes like vanilla sponge and chocolate mousse.
यस मैम, अभी नहीं बनाई, थोड़ा सा इशू है। हेलो।
Okay, guys. So, first of all, I will tell you
from the basics like how to make the sponge, how to beat the cream. Everything I will tell you from the basics in this workshop. Okay. So first and the important thing is this measuring scale. Okay. Without this measuring scale, you won't be able to make any recipes. With measuring from the cups, you will not get the perfect recipe. So try to purchase this measuring scale. The cost is around 220 or 200 rupees only. Okay, so that you will get the perfect recipe. If you will not measure it properly, then you will not be able to make it. After that, you will tell my recipe is not good and you will not be able to join from the next workshop. Okay, so try to purchase the measuring scale and try to make every recipe by measuring all the ingredients. Okay. Yes, Shruti, it will be okay. You can share a picture with me once here so that I can check. Also, you can skip the vinegar. It's not compulsory to add the vinegar. Okay. Don't keep it there. Okay, guys. So first of all, we will start preparing with the vanilla sponge. So those who are making, if you have any doubt, you can unmute from your side and speak because those who are making, you won't be able to type. It will take time. So you can unmute yourself and you can speak. Okay. And those who are not making, please try to make it after the class. You will get the recorded videos after 1 or 1.5 hours, and then you will be able to make it. Okay, and try all the recipe, guys, then it will be fun. Otherwise there is no need to join the class. Okay, and you need to share the picture with me. Okay, so let's start making. First of all, we will prepare with the vanilla sponge. For that, we will measure the wet ingredients. So whenever you are making anything, you need to measure wet ingredients and dry ingredients separately. Okay, what includes the wet ingredients? Wet ingredients include milk, curd, refined oil, sugar. All these things are measured in the wet ingredients. In the dry ingredient comes under refined flour, baking soda, baking powder, cocoa powder. Okay, is it clear? And be interactive in class, guys. Otherwise, you will feel bored. आप बैठ के देखते रहोगे, कोई भी क्लास में मजा नहीं आएगा. ठीक है? मैं बोलते जाऊंगी. Microwave, Veena, which microwave do you have? The convection microwave. You can unmute yourself.
Yeah, I have a connection mod only.
Okay, so for just for the, you can show me from the back camera your microwave. Okay, okay, no issue. Please share the picture with me after the class. Okay, I will check and I will tell you the setting of the microwave. Okay, ठीक है. You can mute yourself. Okay, Firdaus, no issue. But guys, I will suggest you those who really want to make, those who really want to go in the baking industry, try to purchase the OTG because the perfect recipe you can only bake in the OTG, and in the convection you will make the काम चला वाला things. ठीक है? Yes, Veena, okay. So you can for the just for the trial you can purchase the smaller one OTG like 50 liters or 20 liters you can purchase. Okay, so let's start making, guys. So first of all, we will measure all the wet ingredients.
Just give me a second. I'm coming. Okay, so first of all we will take milk. आपको सबसे पहले मिल्क ले लेना है, ठीक है? You need to take milk first. So 120 ग्राम of milk we will add. ठीक है, 120 ग्राम आपको मिल्क लेना है. You need to take 120 ग्राम of milk. I have Shamila, turn on your back camera. I will tell you. But first finish the recipe. ठीक है? After finishing this recipe, I will tell you. Take 120 gram of vanilla sponge. Sorry, milk. 120 gram of milk. Every ingredients you need to measure perfectly. One hundred 20 gram of milk you will take. After that we will add powdered sugar. इसके बाद हम लोग powdered sugar add करेंगे. We will add powdered sugar 100 gram. 100 gram of powdered sugar you will take. Are you speaking, Dina? Hundred grams of powdered sugar we will take. Now we will mix it well. Muskan, for now you can measure it with the cup, but from the next time, please make it from the measuring scale. Okay. Yes, 120 gram milk, 100 gram powdered sugar. Now we will mix it well. अच्छे से mix करना है. So that the sugar and milk will get dissolved with each other. Those who are making, please preheat your OTG at 180 degree on the lower rod for 10 minutes. Okay, now we will add refined oil. इसके बाद हम लोग refined oil add करेंगे. That is 60 gram. 50 to 60 gram of oil you can take. 50 से 60 gram oil you can take. Is it clear till now? First of all, you need to take 120 gram of milk. After that, you will take 100 gram of powdered sugar. Then you will take 50 to 60 gram of refined oil. Now mix it well so that there is no visibility of oil on the top. Okay. Mix it till the oil will get dissolved with each other. The oil should not be visible on the top. Is it clear, guys? यहाँ तक clear है सभी को? Recipe is clear? पूजा, मुस्कान, शानिका, सांभवी, वीना, श्रुति, सौजी, Tommy, what is your name? Okay, now we will keep it aside and we will take another bowl. And you need to measure all the dry ingredients. Okay. All of you, please do reply, guys. I'm waiting for your answers. Is it clear? Yes, Firdaus, milk, sugar and oil एक साथ mix करना है. Okay, so now we will take the maida, that is refined flour, and whenever you will measure the dry ingredients, guys, you need to sieve it. Okay, always sieve your dry ingredients. So 120 gram of refined flour we will take. One hundred 20 gram of refined flour you will take. After that, we will add baking soda. That is 2 gram. 2 gram of baking soda you will take. 2 gram of baking soda you will take. After that, we will add baking powder, that is 5 gram. 5 gram baking powder डालना है आपको. 5 gram of baking powder you will take. Clear है सभी को? Okay. We will sieve it. Okay, now we will mix all the wet ingredients and dry ingredients together. एक साथ आपको wet ingredients and dry ingredients mix करना है. Now we will mix it using cut and fold method. What is cut and fold method, guys? You need to cut like this, then fold it. Cut, then fold. Cut, then fold. Okay. Do not mix it like this. Okay. Mix it like cut and then fold. Cut, then fold. Muskan, do you want to show me something? Mix it till there is no any single lumps. Okay. तब तक mix करना है जब तक आपका lumps खत्म ना हो जाए. Do not over mix it. Okay, Veena, no issue. You can leave. Okay, so now we will. No, Shamila, it will overmix your batter and your sponge will not rise. You just mix it once till there is no any lumps. Okay. Do not overmix the batter. Now we will take a mold and you need to grease and dust it. You can use butter paper as well, but those who don't have butter paper, I am telling you the method of using without using the butter paper. First of all, we will take a mold. This is the heighted mold, 4 by 5 inch mold. Okay, 4 by 5 inch का height वाला mold है. We will add 2 to 3 drops of refined oil. Okay, we will add 2 to 3 drops of refined oil. Instead of refined oil, you can use butter as well. Now we will grease the mold. आपको mold को grease करना है with the help of this brush. Grease it all over. Okay. Now we will take maida, that is refined flour, and we will add some refined flour on the mold. And now we will tap it like this. Tap it like this. All over the mold equally. Tap it like this. Congratulations. तो कैसे सेट करना है? ये कैसे सेट होता है फिडोर? किस चीज के लिए मुझे कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट कर रहे हो आप? ओके, सो नाउ योर मोल्ड शुड बी लाइक दिस. आपका मोल्ड इस तरीके का दिखना चाहिए. ओके, योर मोल्ड शुड बी लुक लाइक दिस. नाउ वी विल पोर द बैटर एंड द कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ बैटर शुड बी दिस मच थिन. ठीक है, इतना पतला आपका बैटर होना चाहिए, ना ज्यादा थिक ना ज्यादा थिन. नाउ वी विल पोर द बैटर. जस्ट अ सेकेंड, आई एम टेलिंग यू. If you want, you can add it. Otherwise, you can skip. Now we will tap it so that there is no any air bubbles on the top. Now we will bake it at 180 degree on the lower rod for 30 to 35 minutes. ठीक है? I'm telling you how to use in the convection mode. Okay. So, Firdaus, show me your convection or microwave. Turn on your back camera. Those who are making, have you completed till this step? फिर डॉस क्लोज लेके जाओ फंक्शन के पास. Yes. Okay, so there is option of cake. Okay, so first of all you need to turn on the on button. Okay, and then press the convection mode. There is the lower side, there is the convection mode, right? So first of all press the turn on button, and after that there is a convection mode on the lower side. Back थोड़ा पीछे करो कैमरा. हाँ, वहां पे कन्वेक्शन मोड पहले प्रेस करना है. आफ्टर दैट यू विल प्री हीट इट फॉर 10 मिनट्स. 8 to 10 minutes you need to preheat it. After preheating you will press the first option, that is cake and caramel, and then you will bake it for 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. Okay. Okay, now Samila, turn on your OTG. Turn on your back camera. I will tell you about the OTG function. Samila, turn on your back camera. Go close to the function. Turn on the back camera. It will easier for you. You can speak it. I am unmuting you from here. Speak. It's not visible.
Ma'am, is it visible? This is my
No,
OT.
no. Turn on your back camera.
No, I am in laptop. I'm using laptop.
Okay, okay. So just go to the left side.
Okay. Yeah.
थोड़ा सा और. Little bit more left.
Left.
Okay, do one thing. Share picture with me on WhatsApp.
Oh, okay. How to fix this? I don't know. There are two
Uh,
functions here.
Yes, but it is not visible clearly. Please share the picture so that I can tell you now.
Okay then. And what? I separately I'll share it to you. I don't know.
Okay. Okay, guys. So now I will tell you how to beat the whipping cream. Someone was asking me about the picture of the whipping cream. So you can, if you want, you can take the screenshot from your phone. So this is the Tropolite whipping cream you need to use for making the cake or any mousse, whatever you are making. So you need to use this Tropolite whipping cream. Okay. So today I am telling you how to beat the cream so that we will make the cake tomorrow, and today also we are going to make the mousse. Yes, Shruti, is it visible? How we can make in OTG? Okay, guys. So I forget to tell you. Just a second. Let me finish this. First of all, you need to just give me a second, guys. गर्मी बहुत ही ज्यादा बढ़ गई है. Okay. So first of all, whenever you will make the cake, dry cake, muffins, or whatever you are making in the cake only, you need to bake it on the lower rod only. In OTG, I am telling you, you need to bake it on the lower rod with fan. Okay. With fan, you need to bake it on the lower rod at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. temperature varies with the OTG company. Okay, is it clear? So you need to bake it at 180 degree on the lower rod for 25 to 30 minutes. Clear है सभी को? Is it clear, guys? So that we will proceed to the whipping cream process. Samila, you will share the picture with me on WhatsApp. I will share it. Those who are having doubt with the OTG, please share the picture of your OTG function so that I will see and I will tell you. Okay. Okay, so about the whipping cream, what you have to do, whenever you will store the whipping cream, you need to keep it in the freezer only. You need to store it at 2 degrees Celsius to 7 degree until complete thawing of frozen content. ठीक है? So you need to bake it at not freeze it at 2 degree to 7 degree in the freezer. ठीक है? Always store your whipping cream in the freezer. Do not keep it in the freeze or outside. Okay. The second thing is whenever you will whip the cream, keep it out. Whatever quantity you want, take a bowl. Take out the whipping cream quantity and keep it in the freeze 2 to 3 hours ago. ठीक है? 2 से 3 घंटे पहले निकाल के फ्रिज में रखना है. It should be proper chilled and it should be in the milk form. Okay. So is it clear till now? So I am telling you how to. It should be in the milk form like this. ठीक है? Milk form में होना चाहिए. So now first of all, and when you will beat it, either you will turn on the AC, the temperature should be 20 to 21 degree. Otherwise, you need to take a ice bowl below this whipping cream. Okay. Now first of all, you will not directly use the electric beater. First of all, you need to use the hand blender. ठीक है? So that there is no any ice lumps. कोई भी ice lumps नहीं होना चाहिए इसमें, ice crystals. Clear है सभी को? Okay, now we will use the electric beater. We will use the electric beater. So first of all, we will beat it at a speed of 1. 1 के speed पे आपको beat करना है. Sorry. For 1 minute. After that, we will beat it at a speed of 5. Okay? So you can see there is little bit of soft peak, but your cream is still falling down. It means it has not beaten properly. Okay. So we will wait it for 1 minute. Okay, so you need to beat it till this only your cream is not falling down. ठीक है, आपको तब तक बीट करना है जब तक आपकी क्रीम गिरना बंद ना हो जाए एंड जो क्रीम की शाइन है वो थोड़ी सी चली जाएगी, मैट कलर में आपकी क्रीम हो जाएगी. ठीक है, it will be in the matte color. Is it clear to all of you? Yes, I will tell you again the process. Just give me a second. Okay, I am repeating again the process, guys. How many of you are making chocolate mousse? कौन कौन बना रहे हो आप लोगों में से? How many of you are making chocolate mousse? Fritters, okay. So for the small quantity, you can take 100 gram of whipping cream, 100 to 125. Okay, Samila. Okay, Pooja. So first of all, what you will do, always store your whipping cream in the freezer. Okay, you need to store the whipping cream in the freezer. Whenever you need the whipping cream, take out the small quantity, whatever you want. Do not keep it all the whipping cream outside. uh, Take out the small quantity of whipping cream, whatever the quantity you require, and keep it in the fridge. It should be proper chilled. Okay, it should be proper chilled. After that, you will keep it aside, and either the room temperature is 20 to 21 degree. Otherwise, if you are not in the AC room, for nowadays summer is there, so you need to beat it in the AC room. Otherwise, if you don't have, keep the ice bowl below the whipping cream bowl. Okay. And first of all, you need to beat it with the hand blender so that there is no any ice crystals. If there is a small ice crystals in that, your cream will beat properly. But when you will apply the cream on the cake, it will start melting down. Okay, so first of all, make sure that it should be in the proper milk form. There is no any ice crystal. Then you will beat it with the electric beater. For the first 1 minute, beat it at a very slow speed. After that, beat it at 5 speed until the soft peak forms and it will get the matte color. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? Just give me a second. There is no any other option without the electric beater. Guys, आपको electric beater की requirement होगी ही, ठीक है? So now we will take the dark compound chocolate. आपको dark compound chocolate लेना है एक बाउल में and you need to melt it. You need to take dark compound chocolate. If you are taking 125 gram of whipping cream, you need to take 75 gram of dark compound chocolate. Okay. Either if you have microwave, you can melt the chocolate in the microwave. If you don't have, I'm telling you the method of double boiler method, how you will melt it. Take in a bowl, you need to take the hot water. In that, you will add the another bowl and you will add the dark compound chocolate. Okay? And you will melt it. Chop it into pieces so that it will melt easily. If there is any doubt in both the recipe, you can ask me. कोई doubt है आप पूछ सकते हो. Is there any doubt, guys? Class अच्छी लग रही है आप लोग को? Are you guys enjoying the class? Homemade compound for moon. How you will make puja? If you are able to make the homemade compound, you can make it. Yes. Guys, all of you please do reply. Rakhi, are you there? You are not asking any doubt. Sambhavi, Saji, are you there? Class कैसी लग रही है आप लोग को? Are you guys enjoying the class? No, Shamila. You need to use the dark compound chocolate only. You need to use the dark compound chocolate only. दे दो क्रीम. Any doubt, guys, in both the recipe? You can ask me. कोई भी doubt हो, you can ask me in any recipe. Vanilla sponge is clear to everyone. Those who are making, have you baked it? Those who are making, have you completed? No, you need to keep it at fridge so that it will set properly. It will not stable at normal temperature. Okay, so we have melted the chocolate. You can see. Now we will add the whipping cream. ठीक है? We will add the whipping cream in this. If we are using this, if we using double this matter, then how long we should keep it in the oven? In what degree? Same degree. Same at 180 degree. Need to bake it. Now we will mix it. You need to mix it well with the very soft hand. Otherwise, your cream will melt down. Okay, so this should be the thickness of your mousse. ठीक है? मुझे माइक्रोवेव में समझ नहीं आया तो मैंने गैस पे किया. नो इशू, आप आज गैस पे कर लो. आफ्टर दैट प्लीज शेयर द पिक्चर सो दैट आई विल टेल यू. ओके, नाउ वी विल टेक अ पाइपिंग बैग. आपको एक पाइपिंग बैग ले लेना है एंड कट इट फ्रॉम द फ्रंट. होल्ड इट लाइक दिस. इस तरीके से होल्ड करना है आपको. नाउ कीप इट ऑल योर मूव्स इनसाइड दिस. Okay. Now we will take a jar. We will take a jar and we will fill it. हम लोग इसमें fill करेंगे. Equally, you need to fill it all over. Spread it. And your mousse is, chocolate mousse is ready. Okay, so your chocolate mousse is ready. You need to store it in the fridge so that it will chill properly and then you can nicely enjoy it. Okay. कोई डाउट है? Let me check your vanilla sponge. If it will bake, I will show you just now. Guys, it will take time. So if you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, I will show you in tomorrow's class. So those who are making a sponge, do not cut it today. With the same sponge, we will make tomorrow cake. Okay. कल हम लोग केक बनाएंगे with the same sponge. Butterscotch crunch cake we will make tomorrow. Okay. Butterscotch crunch cake we will make tomorrow. So those who are want to make tomorrow butterscotch cake, be ready with the sponge. Okay. Okay, so we will meet tomorrow, guys, at the same time. I will show you a response in tomorrow's class. And all of you, please try to make it, guys. सभी लोग क्लास में बनाना कोशिश करो. It will be very fun. Otherwise, आप लोग बोर फील करोगे और कोई भी रेसिपी नहीं सीख पाओगे. क्योंकि रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस में मुझे पता है बाद में सब बढ़ा बढ़ा के देख लेते हैं, लेकिन बेक कोई भी नहीं करते हैं. 1-2 स्टूडेंट्स आर एक्सेप्शन, बट प्लीज ट्राई टू मेक इट इन द लाइव क्लास. जो भी चीजें मैंने आपको, जो भी रेसिपी मैं आपको बता रही हूँ इस वर्कशॉप में, ऑल द रेसिपीज is very easy and mostly all the ingredients and materials are available at your home itself. You can say today you can make the vanilla sponge like maida, baking soda, baking powder, refined flour, milk, refined oil. All the things are available at your home, but many students you won't be able to make it in the live class. Shruti, you can check it at after 25 minutes. Okay, check it after 25 minutes with the help of toothpick. If you will get the little bit brownish color, and if the toothpick will comes out clean, then it has baked perfectly. And insert your toothpick in middle. Don't insert it in the sides. Insert it in middle, then you will be able to check it properly. ठीक है? So after 1 to 1.5 hour, guys, we will get the recorded video. And tomorrow we will make red velvet sponge as well as butterscotch cake. Okay? कल हम लोग रेड वेलवेट स्पॉन्ज बनाएंगे एंड बटरस्कॉच केक बनाएंगे. ठीक है? So guys, be ready with all the ingredients. Tomorrow we will meet at the same time. Bye everyone.